people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm supposed to make some hair growth oil, and I want to show you guys how I make it, the whole process. So this hair growth oil I have been making for quite some time, but I started by making it for my own, and then also I started making it for some of my family members and also some of my friends, and then it has really worked so well even for kids. That's why I decided to come on this platform and show you guys how we make this oil. I hope you'll stay up to the end of the video, guys. But before that, I would like you to subscribe, comment and share this channel. Thank you, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. So I hope you'll bear with me because the phone camera is not that good, but with time we are going to improve it. Also, I forgot to set my camera in a landscape format. So it's in a portrait format, but I hope you are going to see the work I'm doing. So these are some of the herbs that we use. So we use about 8 to 10 herbs and like 3 to 4 oils. So we infuse our herbs into the oils, and you are going to see how we are going to do it, guys. I love to grate the herbs so that they can be infused more into the oils, because when they are in maybe powder form or even almost to powder form, it's easily to infuse them into the oils and they can be absorbed more, or the active ingredients can be absorbed more into the oils. Usually I always infuse these herbs into the oils for about 3 months. At this point, I'm just adding the oils, that is castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil, or any other carrier oil that I have. So essential oils, we don't add them at this moment. We add them when we are packaging the oils. So by now I've added all the oils and I've added all the herbs. Now I'll keep on stirring for some few minutes and then I'll cover it and label it. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys.